What's going on, guys? Today's video is going to be very interesting. It could be very good or it could be very bad. Today, she's going to learn how to drive manual in an STI. Let's hope this goes well.
Easy smooth. I don't know what easy smooth is. Do you see the way I drive my Jeep? Did you just praise the holy Jesus?
No, there's something here.
And there? And there?
It moved around.
Wow, there's something right here.
So, whenever you start a manual car, you have to have the clutch pushed in, or else it won't start.
All the way?
Yeah.
That's annoying.
Yeah. So,
Well, I don't have keys, so.
you need that too. Alright, so let's start by starting the car. So push the clutch all the way in and start it just like a regular car. Now I just want you to practice, get a feel for the pedal. So hit the gas till it goes about 2,500 RPMs. Good, a little harder.
What's an RPM?
Oh, sorry. For it, so you know how hard you're really gonna do it. So that's about as much as you're gonna need. Yeah, as you're going, you're gonna hold it around there. As you let go of the clutch, you're gonna hold the gas around there as you let go of the
I
clutch.
already know what's gonna happen.
What's gonna happen?
Click the clutch so hard that I want to click this so hard.
Really?
Maybe.
So you're scared?
I don't know.
Don't be scared, because then I get scared.
think you're scared.
I'm scared because you're scared. If you weren't scared, I wouldn't be
You
scared.
like this car more than you like me, so
So you might do it on purpose and hurt it.
possibly. Maybe.
So you're gonna let go.
Your feet are
Okay.
getting snagged on this rug?
No,
Mine are.
that's not good.
Do I have to keep it at that 2.5
About 2.5, yeah.
when I'm done with the clutch?
Yeah, and then you'll be going at that point.
Why would anybody want to drive a car like this?
Hey, let me explain stopping though. Don't let go of the clutch because you're in first gear. Stop!
You said let go of the clutch.
Don't let go of the
Okay.
clutch.
Well, you said let go of the clutch. Why would you even tell me anything? I was pressing it fine.
All right, put it in neutral. All right, you get 2 more stalls. 2 more.
I'm gonna stall fast then.
Why? You don't want
Because
to
you
do
already
this?
yelled at me for telling me to let go of the clutch.
Good thing's on camera so we can show you that I said do not let go
Well,
of the clutch.
why would I let go of anything that I was already on it? I was already on it. There was no reason for me to take it off.
Now you know what it feels like to stall.
See
That's
I
what it
have to
feels
deal
like to
with?
stall.
Do you see what I have to deal with, people?
You ready to go? I'm scared for you now. Like, I don't know. Should we just cancel this video?
So I'm supposed to put it when I'm pressing this. I'm going like this.
I mean, right now you're in neutral, so you're not gonna, even if you let go of the clutch, you're not going. Okay, now you're in first gear, so be
How
careful.
do you know where you're?
Not too much, too much, too much, too much, too much.
Oh man.
You let go of it too fast. Gas is bringing it back up to keep it around here.
I don't even know if that was English.
You'll get it. You'll get it.
Clutch thing is a lot of fun.
It's no
It's
fun?
like a workout.
I know, that's why I got big legs.
That's you do not have big legs.
That last little kick part where it kicks out, I don't think that's part of it, but just so you know where the end is. Or actually, okay, you're in neutral right now. Practice it right now. You can put gas and you can push clutch both because you're in neutral right here. So do them both. Push the clutch all the way in. Leave this in neutral all the way in and give gas. Put it to like 2,000. Now let go of the clutch a little bit. Let go of clutch. That was fine. That was fine. You're holding it there and you're letting go. That was good. That was fine.
I do that because I know I'm letting go of this.
It's like doing this, patting your head and rubbing
Yes, can't do it.
Smooth out the clutch. Smooth. You'll feel the car roll slowly and just go with it. Go with it. Go with it. Good. Good. Gas. 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 Not too much. Good. 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 Gas. A little more gas. Now you're going. Now you're off the clutch. You don't need the clutch until you brake.
Okay, can I brake?
Hold the clutch in, all the way in, all the way. Let go of the gas and just brake. Now stay in the clutch. Like leave the clutch pushed in. Put it in neutral. You got it. You did it. Yay! Come here. Mwah. You felt how smooth it was?
How do you pay attention to the road? I didn't look at the road once.
Play with it. Too fast with the clutch, but keep going gas. Keep going gas. You're still moving.
No, I just put my foot on the clutch.
Okay, then brake and put this in neutral. Brake, put it in neutral. Okay, but you didn't stall. You saved it. Too fast. Wow.
What do you mean too fast?
You let go of the clutch way too fast. You stalled. right, push the clutch in all the way in. Is
I
it in?
didn't let go of the clutch, I let go of the gas.
Yeah. So let go of the clutch is all the way in. Put it in neutral. All right, go on the brakes because we're rolling. All right, you got it once. That's good for now. Good job. At least you got it once out of, and you stalled 4 times. 4 stalls, 1 good time. What do you think?
I hate this.
Is it harder than you thought?
It's not fun. Why would anybody want to drive this way?
Was it hard though?
No,
Harder than you? Did you think you could pick it up? Like, did you think you were gonna be able to do it?
I thought it was gonna be easier.
You thought it was
but
gonna be
I
easier?
also thought riding a bull at a bar was gonna be easy, and it's not.
It's not. Anyways, all right. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
What happens when you're on the clutch halfway? You want to give more gas.
You just give more gas with your right foot. You give it a little more. Don't do that.
You think I meant to do that? You want me to try and do one more?
Yeah, but let me turn you around. So, like, maybe back there was good luck. Let me turn you around. Yeah.
How do I put this thing in park? Stupid, this car.
All right. So since she did a good job, I'm gonna go ahead and take her out to breakfast.
As he should on a normal basis, but.
Should.